Another mistake from the Hurricanes. Tackling the player around the neck. That's illegal in rugby league. All tackles must be below the shoulder. Pioneers searching for the try line, trying to get an additional 4 points on the board. Jones holds onto that ball, but he's busted up in defense there by the Hurricane defenders. Referee cut in with his linesman and goal line official to see if the Pioneer player got that ball down. And yes, he did. Try awarded to the Pioneers.
Chicken a turn, fish a steam. Party shot selector turning up the scene. Damn me know, fool a play. Money a run cause liquor full of everything. Ends full of everybody a roll a bite. Y'all have a boat of in a sin of blue like this. Cause I don't just say the mean of close guy. Tap the clean when we come out and we chat to get the light.
Fill my cup again, fill it up again. We are drinking with nice every night for sale. Oh yeah, bucket front table and the cup them full. Yellow and palm, I got my pocket no broke. That song y'all will like it, DJ Blue. Party.
Why score? You want me to score?
The summer is back. The summer is back.
Let them wind it up.
Nobody has to work, no, nobody goes to school. See them party corner, joke around and act the fool. The endless playing dominoes, strength is playing fool. I love college, but I'm going to the beach. Money in my pocket, so I'm going to the see them. One more year on the boat again. They're not gonna live to see we broke again. We get the wings them, so we not stuck again. Just the bad mind out and look again. Now some hard work we put in, and them a block the door. Never want me put a foot in, but amphibip. No man can't try next to one amphibip. So big up, open big up, and all out, don't forget big up, junk off. Yeah, and me talk that big and serious, and no smiley face, no laugh. Yo, how long we are rings on the way, food in a plate, kick off the game. See them smile on the upside down. Know that we money can't done, that's why we. Yo, wizard. Yo, wizard. Yo, wizard. Me no go wine, I know some me run. Me no chicken get gone. Get a head food, you want go one. Just say down go shell down me head. I must see peanut shell. You must see mad, you a real nut shell. C-R-I-T-E-N. That's what your real name said. Party dog we bun the mum red. Call the pastor, ring the church bell. I be a bride like that when me a said. Me spot at a hand, then back a hell. You know me no afraid. You know me no afraid. You know me no afraid. You know what? That's real bad. Again. You know me no afraid. You know me no afraid. You know me no afraid. You know what? That's real bad. Again. You can't box it. You know box still. Me no left the thing when up stink. It's greasy like kitchen sink. Well shiny like a new zinc. Water forward and nothing for your drink.
So the half continues. The Pioneers in possession of the ball, working their way forward. The score is Hurricanes Jamaica, 14 points. USARL Pioneers, they're on 8 points. The referee has penalized Hurricanes for more indiscipline in the tackle there. Holding down is Nathan Campbell. The Pioneers are the first set of 6. So our guests here today, the USARL Pioneers, representatives from 11 clubs in the United States of America, 11 semi-pro clubs, making their way down to Jamaica to challenge Jamaica's sole semi-professional club, Hurricanes Jamaica. Guys from Boston, Philadelphia, Jacksonville, Rhode Island, Virginia, taking on the lads from Kingston and St. Catherine. Love the ball there, but unfortunately thrown forward, it seems, by the Pioneers. So the Hurricanes will recover. Can they add to their 14 points before the end of this half? Or can the Pioneers keep them scoreless and assert themselves as a dominant force in this game? Grant shimmies his way there. Ryan Grant takes it in. Here comes Romain Campbell with another big run. Marvin Thompson at hooker. Gives it to the beast. Baker. And the Hurricanes coming up with another error. Losing the ball on tackle 3. The Pioneers smiling once more as they have the ball for another 6 tackles. Pioneers on the charge once more. Strong run met by a very strong defense from the Hurricanes. Shavankov shimmies and goes himself. Tackle already called by the referee. Here comes number 12, Kevin Wathen, driving it in. Pioneers smelling blood once more. And they're in. Another excellent phase of play by the Americans. Hurricanes defense not drifting quickly enough. The Pioneers are now on 12 points with the kick to come.
If you never sell it, in that score, got the right there, try line. Oh, Hurry up.
The kick is good. Love the try there by Michael Garvey, wearing the number 7. He's the brains bringing the Pioneers forward. And he's the one who's converted those extra 2 points. USA national player, fresh from the World Cup in England in October, showing his skills, bringing his team firmly back into this one. The score is now locked at 14 all. Approximately 25 or so minutes gone in this first half. So the Hurricanes have some work to do.
Hurricanes!
Fueled by Sips spring water.
Him get the most pass on me. And him put most pass on.
They need some energy from Sips right now. They're certainly struggling up top. Blasting their way to a 14-point lead. Here comes the Pioneers on an exit set, coming out of their own half. It's the man from Rhode Island, Ryan Ovino there, taking it in. Pioneers making the hard yards. Here comes Omar Jones. Jump step. But muscle up there by Jeremy and Squatty Pinnock. Pioneers with the ball again. Love the kick over the top there by the Pioneers to finish off their set. The Hurricane. Apologies on the score. Hurricanes still ahead 16-14. So holding on to a very thin 2-point lead. And they have the ball. What can they do from their own half?
Good run, Jerry. Don't do that.
So Robert Gary C using the crowd with his speed and steps, but ultimately being let down by his teammate there who knocked on that ball. They're rolling on first tackle and they'll gift the ball back to the Pioneers. So the speed of the Jamaicans causing problems for their American opponents right now. But too many errors keeping the Pioneers in this one. Pioneers clearly the more disciplined of the two teams. Here they got half line on the charge once more. Ryan goes to fullback for the Pioneers. Muscled up by Andre Baker. The biggest man on the field versus the second smallest man on the field. There have been only one result. Medics will see to him. Rugby league players are built tough, ladies and gentlemen. Don't worry, he'll be back up. It's the world's toughest team. Played by the world's bravest athletes and gladiators. Representing their colors here today, the Pioneers from the USA, facing off against Jamaica's Hurricanes. And Ryan is back on his feet.
Yeah, man.
Ready to go. 14 here. Hurricanes leading the Pioneers. We're still in the first half. Hurricanes being Jamaica's sole semi-professional team, drawing from the best domestic local players. Their ultimate aim is to play in the American semi-professional league in the next 5 years if possible. So games like these, critical in testing their development.
Oh, good.
The Pioneers on the charge once more. Matty there at center for the Pioneers. Offloads the ball. Number 11, Tristan Sill, takes it forward. Muscle to the ground there by Alec Harrison Kennard Morgan. Pioneer showing excellent discipline in keeping the ball and working their way forward.
Good kick. Cheat the ball now.
Here comes Adrian. Adrian, the speedman. They won't catch this one. Unpredictable try. Here comes another Adrian Chelsea.
Good try.
World's greatest team sport. Showing you why. It's the greatest spectacle in sports. Long break there from Adrian McKenzie. That was number 2 for the Hurricanes. Dash away defenders left and right. Before being corralled by the smallest man on the field, Shavon, brave youngster. Taking down the speed zone. Unfortunately, Pioneers not recovering on time. Hurricane Junior players, please assist with running the rope for the Pioneers.
Run it out.
Ahead 20 points to 14. It's a close one, ladies and gentlemen. Chevron Bailey scoring the try for the Hurricanes there. GC Foster College man, an aspiring national player, putting his skills on display here today. Excellent breakthrough by Adrian McKenzie, another GC Foster man. And an even more excellent chase by young Shavon Cuff, who was able to chase him down and catch him. Here comes Ryan Grant once more. Romain Gully Campbell. Running over Cuff. Offloading to Robert Rodney.
Good stand up.
Here comes the captain, Jermaine Pinnock, meandering his way towards middle of the field. Marvin Thompson, hooker, gets it to Gully, who gets it to the big man Baker. Here comes Panda. It's hard to set this one. Hurricanes charging ahead. Ball goes to guard, working the orchestrate. He looks. He jigs. Oh! Trying some magic there was Grant. Ball knocked on by Cuff. Knocked on by the Hurricanes. Knocked on by the Pioneers. It's getting ridiculous, ladies and gentlemen. Gaining the break.
Alright, that's it. Send me up.
Pioneers earning a penalty there. Kicking it 20 meters up the field. So they'll attack from close to the half line.
Up! Boom! Oh.
Strong carry there.
Good one, Panda.
By the Pioneer prop. That's Danny Gabrielli.
Tina Iron! Good!
Another strong run there by Kevin Wathan. Pioneers working their way upfield. Here comes Andrew Tully. Takes 3 to control Tully. Carlisle Berg at prop. Nice inside ball in from the Pioneers.
Ah, good chip.
Lovely kick chip, but Baker recovers. Hurricanes will have to exit their half, but here comes the speedster again, Robert Rodney. He's in good form today. Here comes Shea, jinking his way across the field. Fullback relieving his forwards. They're blowing heavily.
Come right.
And it's Ponder again.
Good tackle. Mars. Drop.
Referee will check his linesman before awarding this try. Checking if there were any infringements. A over-the-top kick there by Marvin Thompson from the Hurricanes. Miscommunication by Siobhan Koff and Owen Linton, who collided with each other. This may very well be a try.
Show your class, no referee.
Don't try right.
Next time, Christian, show your class, no referee.
Don't try.
Show your class, referee.
Check the video.
Show your class.
Check the video footage. Instant referee.
The fifth official.
From the stairs, so you know so that they don't know. Rock, paper, scissors, they know.
I got them on Don't try. What am I discussing so long? Give me time quick, man.
No, man, if you play back, give it a slow. Give it a slow, man.
So the referee has awarded a try after a long deliberation. Garvey exits the game for the Pioneers. Seems to have hurt his hand. After, ladies and gentlemen, that's the first 40 minutes. Your Hurricanes issued strong in this half. Unofficially, the score is 26-14. Strong performance by the Hurricanes, but also a very brave showing by the Pioneers so far. Give them a round of applause at halftime, ladies and gentlemen. The Gladiators taking it to each other, putting on a great spectacle today.
Right now, I don't feel summer is here. I got my time. If you feel the body, you feel alright. Put your hands up in the air. We've been doing it all night. Put your hands up in the
air. For help for the staffs and stuff, and also for the officials. But thank you all for coming, and it's SK Catering by Stephen Hamilton. Thank you.
Free food! Good commercial, boy, good commercial. Some whining tune.
Pull up your pants and put it on your waist and tuck in your shirt and don't be School you on the one school time. This no dancing dynamite. Make your mother proud, you know say how she fight. Now me no don't self, me no don't fight. You know say me intelligent, you know say me bright. Eloquence in me stages of every side. Ask any teacher in the old school, let me tell you say me brain, I don't know that's what I it's like you're in the crowd. That man in the search for crowd. That woman in the crowd. They don't have wine for the teacher. Be first to the road. Stamina on it. Turn to the bone. Jump in church. It's the road. Relationship. See worse. If they jump that to the crowd.
Yeah.